What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in a different setting. We're at Mikhail's house. Mikhail, say hi.
Hello.
Today we're installing something that a lot of people say is simple. The YouTube tutorials are how long, Mikhail?
About 10 minutes.
YouTube tutorials for this mod are 10 minutes long, which means me and Mikhail should take probably about like 5 to 6 minutes.
What time are we starting? Alright.
Guys, timer. On camera.
12.
12:05.
Where's the camera?
You guys see 12:05, okay? We're starting this at 12:05. We're installing the star lights on his FRS. We have everything right here. 12:05 we started. Let's see what time we finish. It's raining outside. Kind of bummed us out because we're really excited to do this. We can't really have a tripod set up outside, but we're going to try to make the best out of it. So let's get into it. So guys, we are 3 minutes in. It's 12:08 and we're already distracted. Mikhail's building an RC car over here, a Supra. 3 minutes in. Alright guys, starting this video, I will be putting in a random number throughout the video, and whoever comments the number first on the comment section below with a timestamp, I'm sending you 10 free stickers. Okay, so if you find the number, comment down below what number it is, comment the timestamp, and the first person to comment, I will send you 10 stickers. 10 JDM car stickers.
Do you like it better with the bottom lights?
The bottom, I'd like it. It like synchronizes. Guys, we have Mikhail's Scion and the E46 finally together at the same place. Oh man, I'm excited for the E46 build. Mikhail was fixing his VLANs yesterday.
Shit, bro.
Jesus. So guys, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna actually remove his headliner so we can take it off and then get the actual thing downstairs so we can start working on the lights. We're going to start taking apart some of these things to get this headliner off. We're gonna start with the, what's this called again? The flippy down mirror thingies. We're gonna start with those. Then Mikhail's gonna, remove the airbag covers. It's really hard to vlog inside the car, plus it's pouring outside, so you can't set up a tripod. So I'll just show you guys when we're done. Guys, so it is still raining. It's like legit, like it was pouring a couple minutes ago. So we actually put up a tent, and now we can work on the car without getting wet, right, Mikhail? Guys, for some reason in the tutorial, the guy didn't mention how me and Mikhail we're gonna get stuck with the headliner underneath us. There's all these like wires and
I think we just cut them. Like, do you have a scissor?
No, I got a screwdriver though.
Let's cut it off.
We're like legit like just stuck in here.
Like that fucking something to import and shit.
Ow, ow. What time did we start, Mikhail? 12:05?
Probably like 2 in the afternoon, bro. I think it's only been like 10 minutes.
We are 1 hour in, and this is the progress. Headliner is what? 90% off?
Yeah.
90% off. We're doing good, boys. Alright guys, well, we finally got the headliner off, but Mikhail's underneath it. We're on the home stretch, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. And we're out. Let's go. We have gotten the headliner into the workspace. Again, how long did that take us? Let me see my phone.
For like 10 minutes, bro. 10 minutes.
Started at 1:05. No, started at 12:05, 1:29. Took us like 11 minutes. So now it's probably, we're gonna get into the hard part now. We're probably gonna time lapse this, right? So enjoy. All right, guys. So we're gonna test out the lights, see how many individual lights we want to put in one hole. Mikhail, how many lights, like how many strands are there?
460.
460 light strands in this pack. So we're going to be here for a while. Alright guys, we just finished placing a idea of where we want the holes to be drilled through in order to actually put the light strands through. Now on to drilling. Been here for 5 hours in. We're 5 hours in, guys, and this is the update. I want to say we have like what, 30% left?
Yeah.
We said we're gonna do this shit in 15 minutes, bro. Oh my god. It looks good though, guys. It looks good. We're excited. We just finished drilling and putting every single line into the headliner. It is 8:20 at night. It has been 7 hours since we started. We started at what? At 1, right? 1:05?
Yeah.
It's been 7 hours since we started and the headliner's not even on the car yet. Alright, I'm just going to show you guys how it looks as of right now.
It's like a fucking mess.
This is the back part, obviously. The front part, we still got to trim the tips.
You wanna lift it?
Yeah, let's lift it up. Let's see. Let's see how it looks. Oh, shit, that looks sick. Guys, now we snip. We've done most of it already. Now, we just snip the end of these wires. Oh.
Are they in?
My.
Hold on, I can't get them in the hole.
So this is with all the tips cut, guys. Holy shit. Guys, we're in the process of putting the headliner back into the car. I definitely think this might be the hardest part. I'll keep you updated. Guys, we are in the final steps. It is 10:39. We've been out here for 2 hours, almost an hour and a half.
Yeah.
All we have to do is connect that and the roof turns on, or the ceiling. Are you ready, Mikhail?
Fucking hell.
Damn. Yo, that looks so nice. Oh, the mirror looks sick. Yo, look how it looks in the mirror. Look at the camera, look at the camera.
Oh shit.
That is so sick.
Oh, look. We even put them in here.
Yeah, we even went through the detail of putting it underneath the, I still am calling this the flappy mirror thingy.
Visor, I think. I don't know if that's what it's called, but yeah.
Sick, dude. So here it is, guys, from the outside perspective. Again, it's not fully done. Mikhail's still gonna get like a nail clipper and finish off clipping like the little pieces that are left of, like, remaining. But it looks so sick. So sick. I'm gonna give you guys a little montage.